Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany and I'm a lover of all things pink. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video of my new bag. I am so excited. So this Friday will be mine and my husband's wedding anniversary. It'll be our 10-year anniversary. So crazy. And so we decided to go get me a bag today for an early present because we're going to Miami. So I wanted to have my new bag for our trip. So if you guys want to see my new bag, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, I am so excited because when I went to the Prada store inside of Saks, this was the only pink crossbody that they had. I assumed they were not even gonna have it because online it has been sold out. And he said that he was actually surprised that they still had one left, and he put it on hold for me while we did a lap around the store because I just wanted to make sure this is really the one that I wanted before I made the purchase. And so I tried it on, he put it in the back, and then when I went back to purchase it, I didn't even see it again. They just wrapped it up and packaged it. So here it is. I am so excited, you guys, because I really wanted a pink bag. I was like, my next bag has to be pink. So, and it's not the begonia pink. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already. So the begonia pink has more of like the magenta vibe to it. And this is more Barbie pink, which I'm more a fan of. Okay, I want to be like super careful. Okay. Comes in the dust bag. And also I have, fill out, here's the receipt. So I purchased it from Saks, put that back in there, and the certificate of authenticity is there. And are we ready? You guys, I don't know if you're ready because I'm not ready. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this bag. Oh my gosh. So this is it with the top handle. And then it comes with the strap here. And then the strap also has its own cute little dust bag. Okay. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. Okay, so here is the strap, and it says Prada here on the front, and it has this small case here. And so you can wear it two different ways. So you can use it as a top handle like this, or you can put the strap on and wear it crossbody. So I feel like more of like if it's a running an errand kind of day, it will be crossbody, but for like date night, I could definitely see me taking the strap off and having it as the top handle. So this is the bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I know I've said that like 1,000 times. So here you can adjust the strap and make it like whatever length that you want. And depending upon which way you like to do your strap over, I actually like to do my strap this way. So I'm actually going to change and reverse the strap because this will be in the back if I end up not changing it. So let me change it back around. So as I was changing the side of where the strap is on, I noticed that it says Prada here on the clasp. So let me try it on for you guys. So for reference, I am 5'4", and I have adjusted the strap so the bag is hitting me right here at my waist. And I just think this is the most adorable bag ever. And I think it's just great for, like I feel like it's casual enough that you can run around for errands and do what you need to do. And then also take the strap off and hold it as a top handle. And I'll show you guys how that looks. So here you can have it just holding as the top handle here. because I did actually go in to look at this bag that has the nylon strap. And they also had one that had a leather strap, and I like the leather strap better because it was thinner. But I actually prefer the chain over the leather strap or the nylon strap. So the fact that this can be a cute like date night bag, or you can put the the crossbody strap on and make it a little bit more casual, I think so cute. And then also the sales associate was telling me that he has also seen people, so you can take this part off too, but he's seen people use this as like a belt. I was like, excuse me? Now I have a Prada belt. So we didn't really go into like detail of like how that would work. I guess I'll just connect that there. But look at there. So now I've got a little Prada belt there. Look at that. I've got a Prada belt and my bag. So I got belt, top handle bag, put the crossbody on. I've got the shoulder bag, or the crossbody bag. So I think this was a great purchase. Now that I've had time to look at the bag, since I have unboxed it and tried it on, I wanted to share a couple of other things that I saw in the bag. So here on the tag, it says Prada Re-Edition 2005. And the inside for the lining, it is a darker shade of pink. And I thought I would just show you guys some of the items that can fit in this bag. I am using my iPhone to film this video, so I can't show the iPhone in here, but it definitely will fit. So for size reference, here is my Gucci Marmont in the small. So you can see the size here. It is about the same. It's just a little bit shorter. So let me put my Chanel sunglasses in here. And then I have my Louis Vuitton key clay. I'll put that in there. And so there's definitely enough room here to put your soul phone in here as well. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.